Hi guys, this is Whitey from Whitey's Wicked Workshop. I just wanted to put a thing out here for all the makers in the community. I want you. I want to put out a challenge to make the Mandalorian frog lady little egg container. Talking with a few guys, and they thought it was a good idea. What are the rules? The rules are, there are no rules. Just make what you want. It has to look like the frog lady container. That's about it. You get to choose what you want. Anything that you want to do as a creator. Maybe you could even take this chance as to make your first YouTube video. Let's go. We need more. We were talking about maybe making it the deadline for this May 4th. So what do you think? Let's do it.